guys, welcome back at my channel. It has been 2 weeks already since we started the commemorative advent calendar, the Disney Countdown to Christmas. So today is door number 14, that's right here, with Little Mermaid. I'm opening it up and it's the genie. Here we have the coin of the day, the genie from Aladdin. I think this coin has a lot less detail than, well, any of the other coins that we've gotten so far. So I think it's a little bit boring, to be honest, but it's still cool. I mean, it's the genie. I mean, who doesn't love the genie? So the fun fact about this is that Robin Williams is the voice of the genie, in the English version, of course. And there was a big dispute afterwards because Robin Williams didn't want to do the Jafar's Revenge, I think it's called. So the sequel of Aladdin. And that wasn't because of money, what most people think. It was that after the movie was done, the normal Aladdin, the first one, they used the genie and his voice, the voice of Robin Williams, to sell lots of merch. Which, well, I like merch, but Robin Williams did not want to put his name on selling all that stuff. So that's what the dispute was about. It wasn't about him not getting money for that or something like that. It was just because he didn't want to be so materialistic as that. So anyway, that's going to be the fun fact of the day and the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you tomorrow. I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys.